You're qualified, you've got the experience, and you've done the work, but your applications keep disappearing. You've been sending resumes, cover letters, and it's like they are vanishing in the thin air. This is what you have to remember. It is a series of silent signals that are hidden in your emails, your profiles, and these recruiters are noticing it in seconds. Now, if you don't know what they are, you could keep getting ignored, no matter how qualified you are. Now, you might be feeling like this is personal, or that maybe this just ain't the journey for you to get a remote job. And I get you, because this literally hits your confidence and start making you question every single thing you've done, all the experience that you have. It got you questioning your life decisions. But the truth is, most people are being filtered out before somebody even gets to the skills that they have to be able to do the job. Now, these signals can be tiny. They could be phrasing, tone, formatting. All these subtle cues are answering these recruiters' questions before they even talk to you. They're thinking, can I work with this person? Are they reliable? Will they take initiative? Now, in Remote Ready, I show you exactly how to spot these silent filters so you know where to fix things before you even start sending out your applications. Let's get into these signals though, so that we can break it down and you don't have to fall prey to these ever again. The first signal is independence. This is really important in remote work because hiring managers are scanning for people who can do the work without having to have their hand held for every single task. Now, I had a client who was giving off this signal that she needed to have her hand held. She's an amazing candidate for the roles that she was applying for, but she was getting no responses. So after she reconstructed her resume with Remote Ready, we highlighted initiative and her independence results naturally. And this got her interview literally within a week. Now, this next signal is even sneakier and most people literally never notice it, but it is what's silently blocking your applications. Okay, the second signal is communication style. Now, this is not talking about grammar. We're talking about tone, confidence, and clarity. I had another client who wrote emails that were either way too casual or way too stiff. Both of those were sending the wrong messages. So after we adjusted his phrasing with Remote Ready, those emails were reading confident, approachable, and professional. Third signal we need to be on the lookout for if we want our resumes and applications to stop getting filtered out: consistency and reliability. Now, hiring teams are trained to notice very small things. You have to think about this too, because there are hundreds and sometimes thousands of applications that come through one job post. They have to be trained to figure these things out within seconds, which means your job is to get good at showing up and showing that you have these things within seconds. Now, with consistency and reliability, a lot of small things are noticed, like formatting, deadlines, and even completeness with an application. You can forget to include your portfolio or your LinkedIn link, and your experience instantly does not matter. These are tiny gaps and red flags that show up every single day for thousands of people, and they get blocked instantly. But after we use Remote Ready to start to correct these things, you can start to show up on people's radar as the best candidate for the job. Now, the fourth signal is ease to work with. Everybody want to work with somebody that's easy to work with, right? This is also very subtle, and it's not just about personality. This is also how your emails, your resume, and your overall application feels. Your overall resume and emails can be fine technically, but the tone can make you feel distant. That's a super tiny vibe, right? But that could be all the difference between you being visible and invisible. And the thing you really have to remember is every single week, every single day that you are ignoring these signals, more jobs are getting filled by people who are less qualified than you. But you are qualified, yet invisible. You're going to continue to waste time, lose opportunities, and take confidence hits left to right. And every day you wait, somebody else is securing jobs that should be yours. And it's really crazy that some people never even notice these signals, let alone how to fix them. And so you'll just be out here applying blindly. But once you understand them, you start showing up the way that recruiters want to see you. Now, there are insider signals that I can't even cover in this video, but you can catch them all inside of Remote Ready. Remember, being qualified is not enough these days. Hidden signals are deciding whether your resume floats to the top or sinks down to the trash. So if you want your resume built step by step, putting these signals in along the way, you need to get Remote Ready. That link is down in the description box below. Let me know down in the comments which one of these signals surprised you the most. Which one of these do you think you're guilty of that you need to change right away?